Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one is blue, this one is 256, they come 128, 256 and 512. If you buy from Apple it comes in box like this. Here we have another one, like this, delivered by UPS. Another one just like that. That's how the box look. Doesn't say gigabyte here anymore on the new models. Okay, let's open it. So we took it out of plastic. Here how the box looks like. Here, Apple logo, iPhone. Box. Let's open it. Spot for the camera. This is the color. It's nice blue. Apple sticker, manual, SIM tool. USB-C to Lightning, only cable, no earphones, no power adapter. So, volume down, volume up, turn on, turn off over here, charge here, same, similar design to the previous model. I think this is the nicest iPhone. The color is great, looks really good. This shiny on the side, very nice. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.